Hello guys! Share ko lang yung pinagstayan namin na hotel sa Japan. Ito nga pala yung Tosei Hotel Cocoon, Ueno Okachimachi, located in Ueno, Tokyo, Japan. Malapit lang ito sa Okachimachi Station South Gate entrance. Maganda yung location kasi malapit lang sa shopping area, convenience store, restaurant, Ueno Park and Zoo, Ameyoko Street at sa airport. Yung price ng room for 6 days is 24,040.29 pesos. Good for 2 persons na ito. Meron itong 1 double bed, TV, shower, and bathtub, aircon, fridge, hair dryer, at coffee maker. Every day, nililinis yung room, pinapalitan yung towel at nire-replenish yung bottled water at tea. Yung toothbrush, toothpaste, cotton buds, tea bath, bath towel ay sa second floor makukunin. Free wifi din pala dito. Kapag ginamit nyo yung Klook promo code ko na Ken's Pascual sa pag-book ng hotel, may discount kayo na maximum of 280 pesos.